Hello guys. Okay, hello guys. This video I'm going to play some of Voxiom or something however you spawned. And I'm just gonna try to get many kills. I just see someone's there. And I'm getting shot in the air. Why whenever I keep recording I keep getting shot in the air? Okay guys, looks like I'm gonna be ending the episode here. Or maybe not, maybe. Here's the other round. Let's land somewhere safe. This is so laggy. Anyways, I don't know if anyone landed here, but what? Okay, stop. I recorded like 4 times and died. So yeah, anyways. Okay, looks like someone's there, so look for some treasure like that one. I'm in this video, the goal is to get kills, yeah. Because as you guys know, you guys probably don't know because I never played this. In your guys' knowledge.
Never played it ever.
I never ever played this. I'm just, yeah, anyways.
If I win, it's just because my skill.
Skill? Anyways, at least I have a sniper. Okay, this is so laggy. Guys, this game will be in link in description if you want to try it, but like, it's not usually this laggy. Like this. Oh my. What? Oh my gosh! They were right there. How did the sniper not kill them? Alright guys, here we go again. I hope we don't die. Literally, I might cut those 2 clips out, like
or edit to make it look cute.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna how am I supposed to edit? I'm not no, I never edit in any of my videos. Just I'm too pro to edit, that's why I don't edit. Because I don't like flexing on you guys. Trust, I'll pay you each a penny for each item you put in a thumbnail. You're just gonna add hundreds of random stuff. I really hope there's redeploy because I'm gonna jump off this building. I'm not gonna risk it. So someone's down here. Oh my gosh, my thing is so laggy. There's no way this is looted.
Then why is it looted?
Okay, Chess. I know, but like, still, why is there 2 shovels? I'ma die. Look how laggy my game is. Actually, this is the unlaggiest time. Oh. Stop. Please be a gun. I'm gonna have to try to no scope them. I don't know how in this game. Guys, why is this my game so laggy? Oh my gosh. Where's the guy? Guys, I would cut everything out, but cause a cut, I need like to be long. Just watch. I don't care if it's boring. Just watch the video. Like I'll probably do some epic, random edits. If there's like random fart sounds or something in the beginning, just know that I just want to edit something. Oh, let's see. I got 1 kill. That's pretty bad. Hey guys, if I was actually recording, if I wasn't recording, you would see me mining trees. Well, you guys wouldn't see me, but like, I would be mining trees, getting ores, getting full health right now, upgrading all my guns. But as you see, if I record, it's gonna be so laggy, so I'm not gonna waste my time. I really don't know. It's just I'm not good when I'm recording. Just remember that in every single game. I lost my mic, by the way, so like, yeah. His sound's definitely up here. There's no reason for it to be closed. Oh my. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do. Alright, T1. This gun actually looks pretty good. Anyway, did someone like just jump off or something, or just want to waste someone's time thinking? At least they left dirt. Oh my. But there's someone. Is that someone right there? Okay, they're coming. That means better damage, I think. Alrighty. That was like that. Why were they coming closer is the question. Baited. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Well, that was the farthest we gone. This is Pagan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And okay, yeah, I'm not ending right now. I'm not gonna end until I hit level 13. No, I'm not. But yeah, this was a bad gameplay. I might do like Discord videos. Huh? No. But like, I don't know. I'm just probably gonna be Voxiom because that's what I play every single day now. So yeah, it's changing content again. Very bad, I know. I could do both, but like, if this video hits 1 like by me, I would do both. I don't even know.
I would do all at once.
All at once?
Yes.
It's so boring to do all at once. Well, I would record more Voxiom than Discord because, like, I don't know what to make on Discord. Okay, well, I guess I'm just gonna stop recording. I'm sorry for wasting your time by watching this video. And, like, there's literally, like, nothing in this video.
Yeah, showing the game.
Huh?
Showing the game.
Yeah, I don't know. But, like, this game's pretty fun, so goodbye. If